So how we can attach a supplier invoice or receipt like as a support document on KashFlow. Let's go to purchase invoices, and the ones which haven't got added support document is without a pin. So for example, we have a London train invoice, and that is for flight to and from. So how I can attach a support document to this invoice? So when you scroll down, there is free headers, payment, notes, and files. Where is the files? Click add file on right hand side, and let's say I have flight ticket support file here, and this is how it will add a support file here. So when I go back to purchase invoices, it's attached. You can see a pin next to this particular purchase invoice. When you attach your when you create your expense, you will be able to attach your receipt directly here. So when you record your expense, you can attach receipt, select for example meal, and record details on your left hand side, and once you're happy, click save. Okay, so this is a way how you can attach support documents to record the supplier invoice or when you record your expense.